Good morning, or afternoon, as the case may be. Happy Tuesday. Taking a look at today's objective, trying to actually start to get into a little more of the curriculum base. I can be safe in the classroom and the lab environment while learning science skills. I will be able to describe safe and unsafe situations within a given lab situation. We are going to be taking a look at science safety rules, including the science safety contract, and then also reviewing some diagrams, some pictures that show safe and unsafe behaviors, trying to analyze what is safe, what is unsafe, and how we could turn the unsafe behaviors into a safe behavior. So we're going to be taking a look at several items throughout class today, as well as continuing with our first 2 weeks of school activities. So we do want to go ahead and take a look at what that is. Okay, so for our school-wide expectation, we're going to be looking at a safety role play, considering safety in different parts of the school. So you can see everything today is going to be about safety. The primary focus, like I said, being in that science classroom and science lab type of format. We're going to talk about what that looks like. We're going to look at the science safety wrap, and we're going to be taking a look at the science safety contract. One quick note on the contract, that will become a homework assignment. On the science safety contract, you will see at the bottom, the safety contract looks like this. At the top, you fill in your name, I fill in your name, blah, 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 blah. We're gonna read through this, take a look at this together in class, and then student signature and date, and at the bottom, parent signature and date. So we are gonna ask that this becomes a homework assignment. I know sometimes, we all have different situations when we go home at night, myself included. My wife wasn't home until very late last night because she had a school activity, so I totally understand. I'm going to make this a homework assignment that is due on Friday. That gives you a couple days to hopefully be able to cross paths with a parent, or leave it on the kitchen table or in the refrigerator or some place that it can be seen, and get a signature and get back to school. You do need to make sure that these get turned in. There will be a list kept before you can actually do science class activities that consider the safety that's covered in this safety contract. Like I said, we are going to go ahead and read through them together as a class as they get handed out. So rather than me reading that here, I'm going to have the opportunity for you guys to read it. So I'm going to turn it back over to the live version of me and get class continued in that way. Thanks so much. Again, happy Tuesday.